Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about how we can connect our Microsoft account to our Microsoft Authenticator app and we can secure our account that way. So for this purpose, you're gonna sign in your account into your laptop or your computer, whatever you have, and once you have signed in your account, you're going to be created with your accounts page just like this. I'm gonna blur it out of format because of my credentials. Okay, so you're gonna scroll down until you see these security options. Here you're gonna click on the visit security settings. You visit this page, you're going to click on advanced securities options here. Okay, so you're gonna come to the screen. There will be a lot of options. Here I am gonna blur my credentials again, and if you scroll down, you're gonna see this and add a new way to sign in or verify option. You're going to click on that. Because we want to add another method, you're going to use an app option here and click on it. Okay, so now it's asking you to get your authenticator app and on your mobile device. So let's switch to our mobile device. Now we are on our mobile. What you're gonna do is you're gonna go to your Play Store and you're gonna download the app. It's called Microsoft Authenticator. Once you have downloaded it, open it and you're gonna meet the screen. It's gonna ask you to add your account. You're going to click on add account. You're gonna touch a personal account here, and now you have two options. We're going to choose sign in with Microsoft, and I'm going to choose my account here. It's adding my account, and there we go. It's asking me if I want to use this. I'm going to skip it. Okay, so we have successfully connected our Microsoft account to our Authenticator app, and that's it.